Mounting all windows correctly for maximum benefit. To get the best performance out of your new windows, it is important to mount them correctly. When the window has been unpacked and you have checked that everything is correct, carry the window to the place of installation. Place the window on a flat surface. Remember to protect the frame by using some sheets as base. Open the window and tilt it slightly so that both the sash and frame rest on your base. First, remove the screws in the fitting when you are separating the window sash from the frame. Use a Torx T15. The fitting can be removed easily when you have removed the screws on both sides. Then remove the window sash from the frame by tilting it and disengaging it from the slides mounted on the frame. It is an advantage to separate the heavy window sash from the frame before installing the frame in the brickwork aperture. This will make the frame easier to handle and reduce the risk of errors. When the sash is to be installed again later, just hook the sash on the slide rail in the frame and fix the fitting with the screws. You are now ready to place the frame in the brickwork aperture. Fix the frame in the brickwork aperture by means of air wedges. Place wedges between the frame and wall in the corners of the unit. Then you can adjust the window until it is completely plumb and level. The window must be approximately 5 centimeters inside the brickwork aperture to protect it from the weather. If possible, you can position the window 0.5 centimeters further out than the old window so that it covers the old joint. A top-guided window like this one must have permanent blocking on either side. Also, place a block below the receiver and guide receiver. This is a burglary inhibiting feature. If the window is a 2 or 3 light window, you must also block up the window below the mullions. The blocking must have an abutting surface of at least 25 square centimeters and be made of a non-absorbent material. When the window has been blocked up correctly, you're ready to fix the window in the brickwork aperture using frame screws. Make 2 holes on either side using a 6mm wood drill. Remember to align the holes with bricks as the window cannot be fixed properly in a joint. If possible, always position the screws in the rebate, where they are the least visible. The number of fixing points depends on the size of the window. The distance between the screws must not exceed 60 centimeters. For additional information about correct fixing of the window, see the label on the pane. Then change to a 6mm wall drill and drill holes for the installation screws in the jamb. Then it is important to check that the window is plumb and level. The frame has now been fixed to the brickwork aperture and you're ready to install the window sash in the frame. Hooking the sash to the slide rails in the frame is best done by 2 persons. Then secure the fitting. When the window has been installed, you are ready to joint or mount expanding ceiling strips. Visit rationale.dk for additional information about our doors and windows.